Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to toggle the visibility of the sidebar inside VS Code. So you can actually do this by going to view in the menu and then going to appearance, and right here you will see this option to show the primary sidebar. So once you do this, you can see that sidebar is shown, and once again you can go to and hide this. Instead of going to the menu, you have the shortcut key, which is Control B. You can toggle this, hide them, or enable the sidebar. This is a shortcut key, Control B. So this is your keyboard shortcut key. You can control it. And also we have the secondary sidebar as well. If you want to show it, you can even do that as well. So the shortcut key for this is Control Alt B. Control Alt B. So this is, and one more thing you can do, you can say Control Shift V and then say primary sidebar like this as well. So in this easy way, you can either show or enable sidebar in VS Code. And please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.